This is how I made over my son's cubby house. I came in store for help to pick out my colour palette and get advice for the best paint for my project. We wanted something that would fit in nicely with our backyard. As I'm going to spray part of the cubby, I laid out all the pieces outside on drop sheets to ensure good ventilation. I then used painter's tape to protect the windows and plastic parts I didn't want to spray. Then it was ready for the paint. I primed all of the cubby surfaces using Dulux one-step prep. I added a little water to dilute my paint as per my spray gun's manual to ensure a nice, even flow of paint. Before spraying on the cubby, I did a quick test spray on some cardboard to check the flow of paint until I was happy with the finish. When spraying, you need to do a 50% overlap with each pass, ensuring a light, even coverage to avoid any runs. Once this was dry, it was time for the top coat. I'm using Dulux Weather Shield for the walls in Mount Buller, and for the floors and roof, I'm using Cabot's Timber Colour in Woodland Grey as it's non-slip. For this project, I needed 3 coats of top coat paint, leaving them to dry between each coat. For all the trims and smaller features, I used a mini roller and brush to apply 2 coats of paint. For this, I'm using Dulux Weather Shield in Vivid White. Lastly, for the bright yellow door, I'm using Cabot's Timber Colour in the colour Stellar. It was then time to assemble the cubby house. Once I removed the tape, I did a couple of quick touch-ups with a brush where needed after assembly, and then it was done. And here's the final product.